finally the plumbing for the drip irrigation has started. I have bought almost all of the things. Now this is the connector to the tap. Okay, so Teflon is applied, and here is where it will go. Okay, and this is like 3x8 connector, like female to this. Now let's connect this. So actually this extension is only needed because the tap which I have is in a very closed space. So I just want to avoid making it leaking. So for connection, for ease of connection, I am just using it. Okay, so looks like Teflon I have applied in the wrong direction. Yes, I have applied in this. Okay, lesson learned. Yeah, I should apply the Teflon in the direction where you will be rotating or moving your connector. Okay, so hopefully it won't leak now. And here the 3x8 pipe will go, and this will go to the tap. The Teflon is applied, and I will connect this. This pipe here, that's connected. So this is applied. This is a test if any leakage is there. Looks like everything is good. I'm not seeing any leakage. So this part is successfully connected. This is test 1. Let's see. Yeah. The valve seems to be working. Okay, let me turn off the switch. Okay, let me show you. So the solenoid valve is finally working. There is no leakage, at least here. This side there is one leakage here. Okay, so around 50% of the work is done. Now I have to do this plumbing and connectivity. Now part 1 is successful. Now I'm moving to part 2. So in the part 2 we will just cut the pipes. So this is the cutter. The cut should be straight, otherwise there would be a leakage. Okay, it's a straight cut. Here is the second one. Okay, let me show you. So this is the connector about which I learned yesterday only, like how fantastic it is. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, you just have to press hard. Okay, now it's done. No solution, no tape, nothing, and this is set. Similarly here also. Okay, so this is set. Now let me just cut this pipe. Okay, so from there it will go here, it is. Now this will go inside this. Okay, so how I am planning is like this is like 3x8 connector and this is 1x4 connector. So every connector main pipe I will just distribute them to 2 pipes. Okay, this is connected. Now 2 pipe will come here. Okay, I love the sound. Okay, now let's take it here. This one. Okay, this is done. Now this will go inside this. This is 1x4 as you can see, and this will go inside this. As simple as that. Now here I will connect a dripper. So these are the dripper. And you can just warm the pipe or put it in some warm water that will make it easy. Okay, so here's the first one, and here is the second one. Okay, so it's done. Like, as you can see, this is the first pipe. This is the main connection, so every main connection will just water this two plants. For every, this tee will have two drippers connected via this setup. Now let me make this for around 12 plants, and then we will just install it. Now this is the next test with just 3 plants. Okay, what happened to that? You can just control the flow. Okay, the flow is fast only. Looks fine. Now let me continue. Okay. Now the plumbing is done. At the end I have attached a tap, and now it's time to test. You just have to adjust this, the flow, water flow. Okay, let's start it. Okay, it's started. I just have to adjust the flow everywhere. Is there a leakage anywhere? Most of the joints are still only. Okay, this joint is leaking. Now it's not leaking. Good. Maybe I have to adjust it. This is fine. This one also looks good. Okay, now let me adjust the flow, and then it's time to automate that solenoid valve. This is the back end of the irrigation system. Controller is Arduino. We have one relay, then we have a buck converter, a power supply, a 24-volt power supply, a breadboard, and an RTC. Apart from that, these are some of the spare components and tools which I used. And these are some of the hardwares components. that is left, and this is a code. If you see the code, it just states like it will water every alternate days for 2 weeks. And this is the app using which I can control the watering anywhere from the world. The only condition is I should be connected to internet. So if you see, this is my garden, and there's a beautiful flower here. And currently, if you see, it's not watering because it's turned off. If I turn it on and just wait, yeah, it's watering. And if I turn it off, you can see the water has stopped. So it's very interesting, at least from my perspective. It's very cool project, and hopefully my plant won't die.